Made from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Good afternoon everyone, welcome to Richter Automotive. My name is Christian Williams from Virgin Radio and BOTV. If you can hear my voice, come towards the massive stage that there is no way on God's earth you would have missed when you walk through the doors today. This looks absolutely epic. We've got amazing cars here today that we're going to have a little look around a little bit later. We've also got some very special guests as well, flown in from Germany. So if you're at the bar at the moment, if you're sitting over around where you're getting your food and your drinks, please do come through to the stage. We're going to be having a chat with the guys from Germany very, very shortly. But first, I would like to introduce on stage right now, this is All or Nothing.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon when the sun rises.